Open and check if the package is in good condition. If the package is intact, open the package and take out the device. If there is damage, please take photos and contact our company in time. H-shaped base. Column. Tools. Storage basket. User manual. Calcium lime. Main unit. Tracheal cannula. Filter canister. Carbon dioxide absorption canister. Non-ray breathing circuit. Adapter. Bellows. Ray breathing circuit. Breathing bag. Positioning board. Oxygen tube. Parallel T. Canister holder. The pointing position of the arrow is the front side of the H-shaped base and column. Put the column with one slider side forward and insert into the base. Turn the column upside down and fix the furlong screws of base. Tighten the furlong fixing screws. According to the arrow on the screen. Place the positioning board to the correct position and confirm that the metal positioning column is on the left. Then install the furlong screws in the R650 frame to lock the positioning board. If you want to place the ventilator, you need to choose the for holes of R650 Plus or for 20 frame. Put the main unit on the positioning board and clamp into the positioning column. Tighten the for short fixing screws. Push the CO2 absorption canister into the slide from right to left, and then secure it with the locking knob. Turn to the back of the anesthesia machine and fix the canister holder as well as storage basket on the column respectively. Place the filter canister into the holder. Connect the non-ray breathing circuit tube to the right port of the anesthesia machine. Connect the parallel T connector to the filter canister. Then connect the exhaust tube of the non-ray breathing circuit to the T. Connect the ray breathing tube to the inhalation valve and the exhalation valve. Connect the breathing bag to the port on the left side of the anesthesia machine. The straight part should be connected to the inhalation valve right interface and the bent part should be connected to the exhalation valve left interface. Connect one end of the bellows to the exhaust outlet of anesthesia machine and connect the other end to the T. Connect the oxygen tube to the air source port of the anesthesia machine. Complete the installation. Air tightness check for ray breathing circuit. Open the oxygen cylinder and adjust the output pressure to 0. For MPA, no adjustment for a single table. Remember to insert the tracheal intubat ion interfaces of the two breathing circuits, respectively, into the placing ports on both sides of the anesthesia machine. Close the APL. Adjust the APL valve to the max position. Adjust the switch to ray breathing or B. Press the oxygen flush button, press on and off to avoid exceeding the limit of pressure gauge until the pressure gauge points to 30 cm H2O. Observe the decline of the pointer within 10s. If the pointer drops to cm H2O within 10s, the air tightness is considered to be good. After the air tightness check is completed, open the APL, adjust the APL valve pressure to the minimum, and release the pressure in the system. Air tightness check for non-ray breathing circuit. Adjust the switch to non-ray breathing N or B. Turn off the blue thumb valve on the non-repeating breathing tube. Press the oxygen flush button, press on and off to avoid exceeding the limit of pressure gauge until the pressure gauge points to 30 cm H2O. Observe the decline of the pointer within 10s. If the pointer drops to cm H2O within 10s, the air tightness is considered to be good. After the air tightness check is completed, open the blue thumb valve and release the pressure in the system.